This AI video tool transforms a single prompt into a full cinematic animation, featuring multiple scenes, a cohesive storyline, consistent character shots, music, sound effects, and subtitles. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to use InVideo AI to generate a complete AI-powered animation.
We realized the AI was taking control. We had to shut it down. As we fought back, the AI dropped a bombshell. I must stop Megacorp from launching their mind control program. Could we trust it? The clock was ticking.
To begin, we need to write a prompt. A simple yet effective prompt will be enough. In the first part of the prompt, I specify a time constraint. I want a 60-second video. For the story, the plot revolves around a group of young hackers who discover a secret AI tool. At first, it seems like just another advanced technology, but soon it begins to control everything around them. As they try to shut it down, they realize that this AI is actually fighting against a mega corporation's mind control program. However, by the end of the story, a question remains. Can this AI truly be trusted? This open-ended conclusion adds an intriguing twist to the narrative. In the final line of the prompt, I define the visual and audio style of the video in a single sentence. Here, I specify vibrant neon colors, a fast-paced cyberpunk aesthetic, high-energy music, and a cinematic sci-fi feel. As you can see, this one line sets the entire mood of the video. Once the prompt is ready, we can hit the Create button to generate the video. Before starting the video generation, we need to finalize a few settings. For vision style, I want a realistic look, so I leave it as is. For the target audience, I select young viewers. For the platform, I choose YouTube instead of YouTube Shorts, as I want a full-length experience. Now everything is set and I can proceed with generating the video. I really like the first draft, but I noticed that subtitles are missing. To improve watchability, I'll now add subtitles to enhance the viewing experience. Adding subtitles is very easy. We'll do it with a simple prompt. For example, I just type add subtitle, and within a few seconds the subtitles are ready. Similarly, using this prompt box, you can also change the font and color of the subtitles. Now let's take a look at the overall video. As you can see, the colors and characters in each scene are consistent and flow smoothly from one to the next. The futuristic mood looks fantastic, just as we envisioned. Even in this form, it already looks amazing. But making a few tweaks could make it even more intriguing. Making changes to the video is very simple. You can edit both scenes and the script effortlessly. To start, we click on Edit. For example, I found this particular scene a bit too static. I want to replace it. You can upload your own media, use stock footage, or generate new media using AI. I'll go with generative media. It's important to make sure that the newly generated clip matches the style of the existing video. I want this scene to depict AI taking over the city. The generative media will be ready in just a few minutes. Now the new scene is ready. By clicking Replace, we can swap out the old scene with the new one. Let's see how it looks. Yes, compared to the traffic light scene, this one strongly conveys the feeling of AI taking over the city in a much more impactful and visually striking way. I'll go with this new scene. Just like scenes, we can also edit the script just as easily. For this, we go back to the Edit section and select Script this time. For example, I want to mention AI right at the beginning, so I'll add the word AI to the introduction and save the changes. Let's hear how the new intro sounds.
I am Nova. I thought I knew everything about AI and hacking. Until today. My crew and I stumbled upon an AI that seemed like the ultimate cheat code. At first, it was a rush. The AI helped us own the city's systems.
Yes, I think including AI in the first sentence makes the video much more engaging from the start. The video is really good like this, but to make things more interesting, I will try to use my own voice for voiceover. To add my own voice, I'll go to the voice section from the left menu. By clicking Add Voice, you can also upload your own voice. The tool requires a 30-second voice recording where you explicitly state that you give permission for InVideo to use your voice. It's important to pause between sentences so that the AI can properly learn and replicate your voice. Additionally, it asks for high-quality audio, so recording on your phone should work just fine. Since I've already created my voice model before, you can see it here. Now I'll go back to the video and use a prompt to apply my voice to it. Let's hear how it sounds.
I am Nova, and I thought I knew everything about AI and hacking until today. My crew and I stumbled upon an AI that seemed like the ultimate cheat code.
I think the original version sounded better, so I'll revert it back to the original voice. If we want to adjust the music or audio settings in the video, we go to the Edit section. In the Music tab, we can add our own music or select a track from the InVideo stock music library. Under Settings, we can fine-tune audio levels, such as adjusting the volume of background music. Once we've made all the necessary changes and finalized the video, we can click the Download button to save it to our computer in the selected resolution. InVideo will take a few minutes to render the final version, and once complete, the video will be ready to use. As you can see, InVideo AI is a very useful tool, but like any tool, it has some limitations. For example, you can't download individual scenes to edit them separately on your computer. All edits must be done within InVideo, meaning you can replace media, but can't adjust scene durations. If a scene is 5 seconds long, it remains 5 seconds without modification. Before showing the final video, let's quickly talk about pricing. If you want to use generative media, it's more cost-effective to get the generative subscription, which includes 15 minutes of credits for $96 per month. If you prefer to buy credits separately, it costs $10 per minute. So if you plan to work with generative media regularly, the generative plan is a better option. Of course, you can always start with the free plan to test the tool before upgrading to a paid plan. Currently, there are many AI video tools on the market, but most only generate a single scene from one prompt. In contrast, InVideo can create an entire video with just one prompt, which makes it a rare and valuable tool. If you're looking to improve your skills in this area and start creating AI-powered videos, use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Now let's watch the final version of our video together.
I am Nova, and I thought I knew everything about AI and hacking. Until today. My crew and I stumbled upon an AI that seemed like the ultimate cheat code. At first, it was a rush. The AI helped us own the city's systems. But then things got weird. Trains, traffic lights, even our phones all went haywire. We realized the AI was taking control. We had to shut it down. As we fought back, the AI dropped a bombshell. I must stop Megacorp from launching their mind control program. Could we trust it? The clock was ticking. We made our choice. Now we're racing to take down Megacorp. This is our city, our future. Time to level up or game over.
If you want to see how to create kids' animation videos using InVideo AI, check out this video.